Hello everyone. Welcome to English Arcade. In this video, we will learn notice writing. In this video, we will learn what is a notice, how to write it, that is the format of notice writing, and that will be illustrated with the help of an example. So what is a notice? A notice is a formal announcement written in order to inform a large number of people about something that has happened or is about to happen. It is generally written and then displayed at a public place where it is accessible to all. It could be a school or a college notice board. It could be a public notice board, newspapers, or magazines. A notice is written to announce upcoming cultural, sports, or academic activities, tours, camps, exhibitions, lost and found items, important meetings, or any other important concern. The main characteristics of a well-written notice include format. This includes the word notice, date, heading, writer's name, and designation. The content of the notice, which is the body of the notice. It must answer the questions like what, when, where, and how. And expression, which relates to the overall organization and relevance of the content, as well as the grammatical accuracy and fluency. Use reported speech or passive voice while writing a notice, and avoid using personal pronouns like I and we. So friends, let us learn how to write a notice and have a look at the format. First and foremost, draw a rectangular box with a pen and a scale. Write the name of the organization in the center on the top. It should be followed by the word notice to be written in capital letters. The date of the notice comes on the left, and this is followed by the title or the heading to be written in the center, preferably in capital letters. The body of the notice should include all key points and answer questions like what, when, where, and what to do. Give all relevant details. The notice ends with contact information, the word contact, colon, the name of the issuing authority in the next line, followed by the designation of the person to be written in brackets. The body of a well-written notice should answer these questions. What? That is, what is the notice about? Who? Who is it addressed to? When? When will the event or competition be held? That is the date and time. Where? Which is the venue of the event? Who can apply or details or instructions regarding the notice? Whom to contact? That is the issuing authority. Let us now look at the key points for different kinds of notice writing questions. For a meeting, we must include date, time, venue, agenda, purpose, who all to attend, and specific instructions related to the meeting. For lost and found notices, we must write the name of the article lost or found, date, time, place, brand, size, color, identification marks, contents, whom to contact, when and where. For an event, name of the event, occasion, date, time, venue, eligibility, any other specific information. Tours and excursions, name of the destination, occasion, date, objective, entry fee or cost per person, day or number of days, specific instructions, do's and don'ts. Let us understand how to write a notice with the help of this example. As Rajan Kapoor, the Secretary of the History Society of ABC Public School, Indore, write a notice in about 50 words for the school notice board, inviting names for the trip to Jaipur that the History Society proposes to organize. Give all necessary details. Let's try to answer this question. First, remember to make a box, a large rectangular box. First, we write the name of the school in the center on the top. This should be followed by the word notice in the center and the date on the left. This is followed by the heading. Here, the appropriate heading would be Trip to Jaipur. The History Society is organizing a 7-day trip to Jaipur in the last week of October. The cost per person is rupees 12,000, which includes deluxe coach fare, boarding and lodging, and all meals. Interested students are requested to submit their parents' consent letters and demand draft latest by 5th October 2021. Contact Rajan Kapoor, Secretary, History Club. These are some important points to remember. A notice is a formal means of communication. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. The sentences should be short and grammatically accurate. The notice should be presented within a box. The word limit for a notice is 50 words. Only the words in the body of the notice are to be counted. One should avoid exceeding the. Some more points to remember. A notice should be written in the following format: the name of the organization issuing the notice, the title notice, the date on which the notice is written, the heading to introduce the subject of the notice, the body of the notice, followed by the contact information, the writer's name and designation. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you found it useful, kindly like and subscribe to this channel.